2018 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, power passenger seat, power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, keyless entry, heated seats, remote start, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, climate control, center armrest, power windows, security system, power door locks, CD player, fog lights, heated steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.